Are you interested in working with electronics and computers? Do you like to keep up with changing technologies? Are you good at solving technical problems? Then you might be receiving the signal to become a broadcast maintenance technologist. Broadcast maintenance technologists repair and restore equipment to proper operating condition in transmission facilities or on location. They install, test, inspect, modify, repair, and maintain radio and television broadcasting systems. We spoke to a broadcast maintenance technologist working in Alberta to relay the details of this interesting career.
Hi, my name is Ray, and I'm a broadcast maintenance technologist. As a broadcast maintenance technologist, we basically test, install, inspect, and maintain broadcast radio and television equipment. We work with the smaller things, cameras, computers, microphones. We work on bigger things like a radio transmitter, or TV transmitter, a lot of servers we get to work on. Some other things we may work on is lighting equipment, audio converters, and audio consoles. Typical day, I usually check my emails right away, see what needs to be worked on right away, whether it's a small thing like could you change up my keyboard, or if this mic is broken, I need it for an interview, can you please come fix it? Some days you'll be at your desk a lot, but there are some days you will need to be lifting heavy servers or helping move a transmitter in or out of a building. We sometimes will have the newscast downtown and we'll go there to help set up equipment. At the end of the day, I would follow up with coworkers to see if they need any answers to stuff I've worked on that day, and if they can tell me anything that needs to be done tomorrow, and that's my day. A TV station or a radio station are the main places of employment. You can get into manufacturing. You could also work at a post-production facility or an entertainment facility. For a sports game, you can work in a mobile trailer, but I work here at the station. Duties and responsibilities would be to maintain equipment, be there to help people and answer their questions, make sure things are labeled correctly because it's important in the future to know what you did, keeping people updated on what's happening. There's a lot of stuff that happens behind the scenes we don't always tell people right away. It's good to have good sight and good hearing and attention to detail. A good skill, I would say, is a willingness to learn and being okay with change, as it changes all the time. You're seeing new equipment all the time. Tools I use are small hand tools and electronic test equipment. You'll be using a network crimper to make network cables. You'll also be using a soldering iron. There are times you really need to solder tiny things, and then big things you gotta solder too. You'll be using tiny screwdrivers and wrenches to tighten things. The hours are a typical 8 hours. You can be called in for overtime to work on other projects. Some places can have shift work, like where I work. There'll be an early shift. You'll start early in the morning, 5 a.m. You'll have a normal day shift, starts at 8 a.m., goes to 5 p.m., and then you'll have your evening shift, which can go from 4 p.m. to 11 p.m. You'll need at least 2 years of education in broadcast systems technology, or in networking, or in electronics. After inexperienced broadcast technologists are hired, they'll have further training on the job. The Society of Broadcast Engineers offers certification for graduates of recognized education programs. Certification is voluntary. Push them, pull them out. I love when I fix something somebody is really hoping to have fixed the day of, and seeing their excitement and joy in that, oh, it's fixed, I can actually do my job now.
Fixed.
At the end of the day, I'm most proud of solving problems, and I love helping people, and both those things are here in my job. I get to help people, I get to solve problems, and I get to learn new things.
Successful broadcast maintenance technologists have good manual dexterity, hearing, and eyesight. The ability to work well under pressure and communicate effectively is also essential. If this sounds like you, you might be on the right frequency for a career as a broadcast maintenance technologist. Tune in on the details and find out more about this occupation, including training requirements and salary ranges, in the occupational profile on the ALICE website. While you're there, Check out some related occupations, including telecommunications technologist, electrical engineering technologist, and electronics engineering technologist. Explore the possibilities. Go to alice.alberta.ca.